Now, U.S. stocks were once again mostly in the red to start off today's trading session as worries continue to grow that Greece could indeed default on its debt. However, there was a late rally today on deal news in tech stocks as well as debt repurchase rumors. Now, the markets did indeed get up to a tough start today as investors continue to fear that the nation of Greece could indeed default on its debt. This in turn would send numerous European financial institutions on the downside due to their holdings in Greek bonds. Also contributing was Greek officials stating that Greece only has enough money to operate until October, and at the same time yields on two-year Greek bonds surged over 60% for the first time ever. Now this information sent the markets into a tailspin early. However, there was some assistance later on in the afternoon from tech stocks on merger and acquisition news and speculation spreading across the markets that China is looking to purchase Italian debt figures. Meanwhile, the US dollar continues to surge in trading against its higher yielding counterparts, namely the euro currency. Crop prices also continuing to sink, and oil prices reversing an earlier drop to gain $1.50 intraday. Now, taking a look to see how the Dow Jones has closed out today's trading session, the Dow on the upside 68.99 points to settle in at 11,061.12. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of NetLogic Microsystems, which rose more than 51% intraday. This after semiconductor company Broadcom agreed to buy the chip maker for $3.7 billion. And shares of McGraw-Hill on the upside more than 2% today, just after announcing that it will indeed split into two separate companies, the first being McGraw-Hill Markets, which will focus on both the capital and commodity markets, and the other company will be McGraw-Hill Education, which will focus on education services.